It should be good. So we got Max and Lady back there. Oh, hang on. Lady's laying down, Max standing up. We got Jamie with us today. What you barking at? Is Max not playing enough? This ain't a big deal.
Oh, it's all right. So explain what you're doing, Matt.
Well, we're letting some air out of these tires. See if there's been a lot of fans theorize that if we were to let the air out of the tires of the stuck vehicle, they drive right out. So we're going to give that a little test right here. Here, Joseph, do you want to take the valve caps off in front of me and put them on behind me? So you're not even in low range right now? No. Okay, we'll have to look at that because that's no good. So there's another trick that we're going to be employing to get out of here.
So what do you think those were at, like 40 pounds?
They were pretty high. They're pretty low now. We're going to be employing a couple of tricks here. This Jeep has open differentials, so we're going to be using the park brake to try to lock that back differential a little bit. There's another technique that works better with lockers, but we're going to try it anyway, of sawing the front wheels back and forth. So
if you'll notice, I have a jack and I'm still stuck. So
yep, there's the jack. This thing's carrying a lot of unnecessary weight. Some of which is this gigantic key ring. Well, okay, let me tell you what just happened there. So I applied the parking brake to lock the back axle. It doesn't do anything to help the front axle. When I steered the front wheel, that made the wheel that was, because one of the wheels had dug a hole and the other one had plenty of pressure on it. But when I steered the wheels, that put side load on this tire that was spinning, forcing this one to move too. So that's a self-recovery technique that doesn't require, actually, I'm going to put a link to the channel I learned that trick in, because it was a guy from Saudi Arabia, somewhere in the Middle East, maybe not Saudi Arabia, but I have been using it and it's made it so that those traction boards are, I was going to get a pair, and I'll probably get a pair to try out, but don't need them anymore now that we know how the Saudis do it. This is like a winch, because if I bought this I would never use it, and it's heavy.